the flattened room at a hotel backspace, the office products division presents the Ralphmen. Featuring Bodoni Bold, Tabulator, and Gordon Moody as kindly old Farmer McGregor.
Good morning, IBM, beautiful downtown Almont. What was the name again, sir? I must be new here. I'll look it up. Was that, P.J. or T.J. Watson?
Mr. Hennison, may I see you for a moment?
Sure, Forsyth. What can I do for you?
Well, last month I sold 4 MTSTs to this company. But when they learned about the K-Pack, they reordered and changed from a cash deal to time payment. Then they started teaching classes as part of the company's activities, and they wanted a school discount. And yesterday, they canceled.
Well, what's that last piece of paper?
My resignation.
And now Bill Laughlin will sing the entire sales rules book set to the tune, Ain't Misbehavin'.
I don't think I know the words.
I can't believe the fantastic things the DP division is doing. It's almost like science fiction.
Oh, it's not so surprising when you consider the president is Buck Rogers.
Can you identify this?
Red ribbon shift.
Oh, sure. That's one of those communist dresses.
And now, here's one making it big on the current charts. The graphic cash buy doing the flush right polka. That's not funny.
Is the opposite of flush right, flush left, or flush wrong? Ithaca! Come on, let's join the party.
Sam Kalo was so excited when he heard they had an RMN in the White House. Was he surprised when he found out it meant Richard M. Nixon?
Aren't they cute? They came with my new electric typewriter. By the way, I can't get that machine to work.
Just because I went to the Juilliard School of Music, they made me the composer coordinator.
He'll never be man of the month.
Who is Adrian Frutiger? Isn't he a composer?
I wish you wouldn't use that word.
Cat's tab.
Very interesting.
I wasn't able to rate you very high this time, Whacker. You just don't seem to have any enthusiasm for your work.